Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here some questions are written. These questions are you from applications of derivatives. So as I told you that the derivative is used in measuring rate of a function or increasing or decreasing maxima minima. So here questions are written of increasing or decreasing. Before this video we had discussed about the rate measuring. Okay, so let us see how we will solve the question, how you will write the solution of this question. Okay, so see here what question is saying. First question is saying so that the function. So here function is given fx is equal to. So let us write this one. First one fx is equal to what given 3x plus 17 is written. Okay, now asking that is strictly increasing or are. Okay, so for telling the particular function is increasing or decreasing, so what we will do, we will find the derivative of given function. Then we will see whether the value is coming negative or positive. Negative is coming, is it means less than 0 is there, it means decreasing function will be there. If coming greater than 0, then positive value, then we will say that the particular function is increasing function. So let us see. So for finding for telling whether the function is increasing or decreasing, we will find the derivative of this. Maybe we will differentiate this. Okay, so here we have to find, we have to show it is strictly increasing on r. So here we will show that the value of derivative will be positive value. So let us see f dash x. F dash x will be derivative of 3x plus 17. Then what will come? Derivative of 3x will be 3 and 17 will be 0. Then what will come? 3 will come. Now see, 3 is greater than 0. It means f dash x is greater than 0. Then we will say that then fx is strictly increasing on r. So here we will see that say that fx is strictly increasing on r. So see here f dash x is coming greater than 0. Now let us see the second one. Second one question is asking so that the function fx is equal to is also strictly increasing. So here we will write fx is equal to e to the power 2x is given. Okay. Now we will find what f dash x for telling whether the function is strictly increasing or not. Okay, so f dash x can be written as 2 e to differentiation of e to the power x will be e to the power 2x, and here differentiation of 2x will be 2, means 2 e to the power 2x is coming. Now see, this is positive value, this is positive value, and positive value is always greater than 0. It means f dash x is always greater than 0. Then we can write, then we can say that fx is strictly increasing function, strictly increasing function. Okay, so in this way we will write the thing. So see here how you will tell whether the function is increasing or decreasing. Here we have to say the function is increasing, then we have shown that the function is increasing. So see here. Now let us see the question number 2. So for writing the solution of question number 2, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now let us see question number 3. Question number 3 is given that so that the function fx is equal to what given? Sin x is given. Okay, now we have to tell first whether the we have to show this function is strictly increasing on 0 comma pi upon 2. So for telling that this function is strictly increasing in interval 0 comma pi upon 2, we have to differentiate this first. Then see f dash x will be what? Cos x will come. Okay, now here make quadrant, in this all trigonometric ratios are positive. In this only sine is positive. In this only tan or cot is positive. In this cos is positive. So see here 0 to pi upon 2. So here what is saying, we have to tell in 0 to pi upon 2. Okay. So in 0 to pi upon 2 all are positive. Okay. In 0 to pi upon 2 all trigonometric ratios are positive. It means cos will be positive. It will give positive value, and positive value is always greater than 0. It means f dash x is greater than 0. Then we can say that fx is strictly increasing in 0 to pi upon 2. So see here in this way we will tell that fx is strictly increasing in interval 0 comma pi upon 2. Now let us see the b1. b1 is saying is strictly increasing pi upon 2 and pi. You have to tell strictly increasing pi upon 2 to pi. I think it is decreasing. It is, I think, decreasing. Okay, it is decreasing, should be there. Now see here, then we will write f dash x is equal to cos x will be there. Now we have to check this in interval pi upon 2 and pi. Now see, only in this quadrant positive will be, in this quadrant cos will be negative value this. Now see, negative value will come, and negative value is always less than 0. It means f dash x is less than 0 will be. Okay, so here we will write what, fx is strictly decreasing in pi upon 2 and pi. Okay, in interval pi upon 2 and pi. Okay, now let us see the c1. c1 is saying you have to tell neither increasing nor decreasing in 0 to pi. Now f dash x is what, cos x is there. Now you have to tell in 0 to pi. Then when we will move from 0 to pi, first of all positive will be there, then negative will be there. Okay, so here neither will be positive nor will be increasing function. Okay, so here negative value also get or positive value. Okay, mean in first quadrant positive, first of all positive will be, then negative will be, means increasing then decreasing. So here what you will write, fx is neither increasing nor decreasing function, here you will write. Okay, so see here in this way you will tell that fx is equal to sin x is strictly increasing 0 comma pi upon 2 and strictly decreasing pi upon 2 pi, and strictly increasing neither decreasing nor decreasing in 0 comma pi. So see here how you will tell, how you will write the solution. Now let us see the question number 4. So for writing the solution of question number 4, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see the question number 4. Question number 4 is saying that what? Find the interval in which the function given by, so here function is given, fx is equal to 2x square minus 3x is written. So you have to tell the interval, in which interval it will strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. So for finding the interval in which it is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, first of all we have to differentiate this, find the derivative of this. Okay, so here f dash x means derivative of x will be what, 4x will come and minus 3 will come. Now for finding the interval we have to put f dash x is equal to 0 then 4x minus 3 is equal to 0 will come, then x is equal to 3 upon 4 will come. Okay, x is equal to 3 upon 4 will come. Okay, now here two interval will be there, minus infinity to 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 to 3 upon 4 to positive infinity. Now we have to tell in which it is strictly. Now see here, so x is equal to what coming? 3 upon 4 is coming. It means two interval will be there, minus infinity to 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 to infinity. Now we will check. So here f dash x is this one. Okay, so here we will check at x is equal to, suppose we are taking minus 1. Then f dash x is equal to what will come? 4 into minus 1 minus 3. Then what will come? Minus 4 minus 3, what is coming? Minus 7 is coming. Less than 0 is coming. Okay, less than 0 is coming. It means in this interval it will be decreasing. In minus infinity to 3 upon 4, fx is decreasing. Fx is decreasing. Now at x is equal to, now we are taking from this one, suppose we are taking 1, then f dash x is equal to 4 into 1 minus 3 means 4 minus 3, 1 will come. 1 will come and 1 is greater than 0. It means in 3 upon 4 infinity fx is increasing. Fx is increasing. Okay, so see here, in for increasing in interval be what? This one. For increasing interval be 3 comma upon 4 infinity, and strictly decreasing interval be minus infinity to 3 upon 4. So see here, in this way you will tell in which interval particular function is increasing or decreasing. Okay, so see here how you will write the solution. Okay, now let us see the fifth one. So for writing the solution of fifth one, I have to raise. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see the question number 5. Question number 5 is saying about find the intervals in which the function f given by fx is equal to. So see here, first of all write function fx is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is written. Now you have to find in which interval this function is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. So here let us see. So for finding, first of all we have to differentiate this, means find f dash x. Then f dash x what will come? 6x square will come. Here 3 to the 6 and here also 3 to the 6 x will come, and here minus 36, here 0. It will, this will come. Now this can be written as 6 comma common x square minus x minus 6 will come. Okay, now we have to factorize this 6. In place of this what we will write 3x plus 2. Okay, 3 to the 6, and on adding this one minus x will come, minus 6 will come here. Then 6, take common x minus 3 plus 2 comma x common x minus 3. Now 6 x minus 3 and x plus 2 will be the f dash x. Now for finding the interval we will put f dash x is equal to 0 for finding the interval. Then what will come? 6x minus 3 x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x minus 3 is equal to x is equal to 2 will come, and x plus 2 is equal to, sorry, here 3 will come and x is equal to minus 2 will come. Means two interval are coming. One is -2 and 3. It means there will be 3 interval. So what will be there? First one will be -2 to infinity, sorry, minus infinity, -2. Then second one -2 to 3. Then 3 to infinity. So here 3 interval will be there. Okay. Now we will check by putting the value in which interval particular function is increasing or decreasing. Okay. So let us check here. Now see, in minus infinity to -2, suppose f dash x is what? See here, f dash x is 6, x minus 3, x plus 2. Okay. So suppose from in minus infinity to -2, any value you take, suppose -3 you are taking. So suppose here you are finding f dash -3 you are finding. Then what will come? -3 -3 plus 2. Then what will come? 6 into -6 will come, and into -1 will be there. Then see, minus gets plus. So 6 6 36 will come. Positive value is coming, and it is greater than 0. Okay. So here f dash x is greater than 0. Then what you will write? Fx is increasing. Is increasing. Increasing in interval what? Minus infinity to -2. So see here, in minus infinity to -2, fx will increase. Okay. Now we will check in interval -2, 3. Then f dash, what will, from -2 to 3, any value take. Suppose 1 you are taking. Then when you will put 1, okay, then what will come? 6, 1 minus 3, and 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Then what will come? 6 into -2 will be there, and here 3 will come, means -6 to 12, 12 3 36. Minus 36 is coming. It is in minus is coming, less than 0 is there. Okay. And if you will put minus, suppose f dash -1 you are putting. -1 you are putting. Then let us see, 6 into -1 -3 and -1 plus 2. -1 plus 2. Then what will come? 6 into minus what will come? -4 will come, and here into 1 will come. So see again, see, so -24 is coming, less than 0. It means in this interval, less than 0 is coming. It means f dash x is less than 0. Then you will write what? Fx is decreasing. Fx is decreasing in which interval? -2 to -2 to 3. So see here, in the interval -2 to 3, fx is decreasing. Okay. Now we will check in the interval 3 to infinity. So for writing this one, I have to erase this one. I hope you have noted down. Okay. Now let us see. Now in 3 comma infinity, f dash. So here we will any value take. Suppose 4 you are taking. Then 6, 4 minus 3, 4 plus 2. Then what will come? 6 into 4 minus 3, 1, and 4 plus 2, 8. Sorry, 6. Then what is that? 36 is coming, greater than 0. It means f dash x is greater than 0 in 3 comma infinity. So fx is increasing function, is increasing in 3 comma interval, interval of 3 comma infinity. So you can see here in this interval it is increasing, then in this interval it is decreasing, then in this interval it is increasing. So in this way you will tell that. So for first one, two answer will be there. First one is minus infinity to minus 2 and 3 to infinity, and for decreasing minus 2 to 3. So see here, in this way you will tell that the particular function is increasing or decreasing in which interval. So in this way we can find the interval. Now let us see the question number 5. So sorry, question number 5 was there. Question number 6. So for writing the solution question number 6, I have to raise. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see question number 6. In question number 6, 5 questions are there, A, B, C, D, E. We have to tell, find the interval in which following increasing or decreasing. Okay, so let us see the one. A1 is what? If quadratic equation is there, then 2 interval will come, and cubic is there, then 3 interval will come. So let us see what will come. X cube, sorry, x square plus 2x minus 5 is there, then f dash x will be 3x plus 2 will come. Then f, for finding interval we have to put f dash x is equal to 0, then 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, then what will come? X is equal to minus 2 upon 3 will come. Okay, now here two interval arises, what? Minus infinity to minus 2 upon 3, and second one minus 2 infinity 2 upon 3 to infinity. Two interval. Now we will check in which interval it is increasing and in which interval it is decreasing. Now f dash x is equal to, this one is there. Now if we put f dash, suppose before this minus, after, sorry, before this minus 1 will come, to add minus 1 check, then what? 3 into minus 1 plus 2, then minus 3 plus 2 means minus 1 is coming, less than 0 is coming, it means f dash x is less than 0. You will write what? Fx is decreasing. Negative is coming, it means is decreasing in minus infinity to minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now after this, now we will check f dash. Suppose minus 2 to 3 is there. Suppose you are taking 1. Okay, then f dash 1, 3 into 1 plus 2, then 3 plus 2, 5 is coming, is greater than 0, then you will write f dash x is greater than 0 in interval minus 2 upon 3 comma infinity. So fx is increasing, you will write here increasing in minus 2 upon 3 comma infinity. So see here, in this way you will tell that this function is decreasing in this interval minus infinity to minus 2 upon 3, and fx is increasing in interval minus 2 upon 3 to infinity. So see here, in this way you will write the solution of the first one. Now let us see the B1. So for writing the B1 I have to raise. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see the B1. B1 is what? Fx is equal to 10 minus 6x minus 2x square. Then f dash x will be minus 6 minus 4x will be there. Then for finding interval we have to put f dash x is equal to 0. Then minus 6 minus 4x is equal to 0. Then x will be 6 upon minus 4 It means 2 2 ja 2 3 ja means x is equal to minus 3 upon 2 will come. So see here, in this what we will get, minus 3 upon 2 we are getting. Then two interval will arises. First one minus infinity to minus 3 upon 2. Second one minus 3 upon 2 to infinity. Okay. Now we have to check in which interval it is increasing, in which interval it is decreasing. Then f dash, suppose before this 1 is there, minus 1. So add minus 1, check. Minus 6 minus 4 minus 1. Then minus 6 minus minus get plus 4. Then minus 2 is coming, less than 0 is coming. It means f dash x is less than 0 in interval minus infinity to minus 3 upon 2. So fx is decreasing. Fx is decreasing in minus infinity to minus 3 upon 2. So see here, in this way you will tell that the fx is decreasing in minus infinity to minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Now let us see. Let us check for this interval. Then f dash, suppose after this 1 is there. Okay. Then what will come? Minus 6 minus 4 into 1 you will write. Then minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 is coming. Again less than 0 is coming. Again less than 0 is coming. Okay. Then what you will write? F dash x is less than 0. Is less than 0. Then you will say that in interval minus 3 upon 2 to infinity, then f dash x is decreasing. What you will write? Decreasing it is. Decreasing. Okay. Decreasing in minus 3 upon 2 infinity. Also you will write the also decreasing. Okay. So see here, in this way you will write. Okay. I hope you have understood. Now let us see. So you can see here in this both interval function is decreasing. Now let us see the C1. So for writing the solution of C1, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see the C1, sixth C1. C1 is what given? Fx is equal to minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. Then f dash x can be written as minus 6x square minus 6x square minus 18x will come. See, okay. Then minus 12 will be there. Now take common. 6 common are there, minus 6 take common, then x square plus 3x plus 4 will be there. Sorry, 2 will be there. Okay. Then minus 6, when you will factorize this, what will get? X square plus 2x plus x plus 1 will be there. Sorry, 2 here. Then minus 6, x common, then x plus 2 here, plus 1 common, x plus 2 here. Then for finding interval we have to put f dash x is equal to 0. Then what will come? Minus 6 bracket, right here x plus 2, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Then here x plus 1 and x plus 2, okay, is equal to 0. Then what will come? 1 time x plus 1 will be 0. Then x is equal to minus 1 will come. And 1 time x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 2 will come. Okay, so see here. Now here 3 interval will arise. First one is what? First one minus infinity to minus 1. Second minus 1 to minus 2. Third one minus 2 to infinity. Okay, minus 2 to, sorry, we have written wrong here, minus 2 to minus 1 and minus 1 to infinity. Okay, now we will check particular function increasing and decreasing in these interval. Okay, now so let us check first f dash. Now see, from minus infinity to minus 2 to minus, suppose minus 3 you are taking, suppose, then put in the given f dash x is what, minus 6, x is what, minus 3 plus 1 and minus 3 plus 2 is there. Then check whether positive or negative value is coming. Then minus 3 into minus 2 will come and here minus 1 will come. Then minus 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 plus, minus will be there, 6 to 12, minus 12, less than 0 is coming. Less than 0 is coming. Then what you will write? You will write that f dash x is less than 0 in which interval? Minus infinity to minus 2. So fx is decreasing. What? Decreasing in interval minus infinity to minus 2. So see here, in this way you will tell that fx will decrease in interval of this. Now we will check f dash x is equal to minus 2 to minus 1 is there. Okay, so after minus 2 minus 1 is coming, suppose you are taking what, between this value 1.5, suppose you are taking. Okay, minus 1.5, suppose you are taking minus 1.5. So let us see, let us check. Minus 6 minus 6 minus 1.5 plus 1 minus 1.5 plus 2, then minus 6 into, so see here, greater than minus 0.5 will come into, and here 0.5 will come. So see, minus minus plus, positive value is there. What? Positive value you will get, and is greater than 0, then you will write what? F dash x is greater than 0 in interval what? Minus 2 to minus 1. So here you will write what? So fx is increasing in this interval, it will increase minus 2 to minus 1. So see here, first decreasing then increasing. Now we will check in this interval. F dash x is equal to, so in this interval, suppose you are taking positive value 1. Okay, suppose you are putting 1, then on putting 1, 6 into x plus 1 plus 1, then 1 plus 2, then what will come? 2 into 3. See, positive value is coming, it means greater than 0. Again you will write what? Fx, f dash x is greater than 0 in interval minus 1 to infinity. So then what you will write? Fx is increasing. Fx is increasing in minus 1 to infinity. So see here, in this way you will write. Okay, you will tell whether the function is increasing or decreasing in which interval. So see here, we have written. Now let us see the D1. So for writing the solution of D1, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see the D1. D1 is what? 6 minus 9x minus x square. This is fx is given. Then f dash x will be what? 0 minus 9 minus 2x will come. Then for finding interval, we have to put f dash x is equal to 0. Then minus 9 minus 2x is equal to 0 will be. then minus 2x is equal to 9, then x is equal to minus 9 upon 2. Okay, then two interval will rise. First one minus infinity to minus 9 upon 2, then second minus 9 upon 2 to infinity. Now we will check in which interval fx is increasing or decreasing. So for finding, we will find f dash. Suppose from here to here. So if you will divide 9, then what will come? 2 4s are. It means 4. Before 4 we will take, suppose we are taking minus 5. Okay, suppose we are taking minus 5 in this interval, it will lie. Then what we will, let us find f dash is what? Minus 9. Minus 9 minus 2 into minus 5. Then what will come? Minus 9 minus minus plus 2 5 is 10. Means 1 is coming. Means greater than 0 is there. Then you will write what? F dash x is greater than in interval minus infinity to minus 9 upon 2. So see here. So fx is increasing. So in this interval fx will increase. Okay. Fx will increase minus infinity to minus 9 upon 2. Okay. So see here in this way you will tell fx will increase in this interval. Now let us see this interval. Then f dash. Now see from minus 4 point something, then after this 5 will come. Suppose you are putting positive value 5, then minus 9 minus 2 into 5, then minus 9 minus 10 will come, then minus 19 is coming, less than 0 is there. Then f dash x is less than 0 in interval which minus 9 upon 2 minus infinity. Then you will write what? Fx is in decreasing. Here you will write fx is decreasing in minus 9 upon 2 to infinity. So see here, in this way you will tell that in which interval this function will increase and this function will decrease. Okay. Now let us see the E1. So for writing the solution of E1, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see the E1. E1 fx is equal to what given? X plus 1 whole cube, x minus 3 whole cube. Now f dash x can be written as x plus 1 whole cube differentiation of x minus 3 whole cube plus x minus 3 whole cube differentiation of x plus 1 whole cube. Now let us see what will come. X plus 1 whole cube into 3 x minus 3 whole square into 1. Okay, plus x minus 3 whole cube into x plus 1 whole square. Okay, here 3 will, here into 3 will come. Here also 3 will come. Okay, so see here, this will be the derivative. Now let us see. Okay, we have written already 3 na here. Okay, remove 3 from here, then we will put here. Okay, now see any common term is there to see. X plus 1, 3 x plus 1 whole square is common and x minus 3 x plus 1. Okay, x minus 3 square is common in both. Okay, then in bracket what will come? X plus 1 will come, x plus 1, and here plus x minus 3 will come. See here. Okay, so from here x plus 1 whole square common, and from this and this x minus 3 whole square will come. Now see, this will come. Now now x plus 1 whole square, x minus 1 3 whole square. Now see what will come here. 2x will come and minus 2 will be there. Again 2 will be common. Then here 3 into 2 x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, x minus 1 will be there. Then 6 x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Sorry, only this one. Now for finding interval we have to put f dash x is equal to 0. Then 6x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then what will come? X plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Then what will come? X is equal to minus 1 will come. And if x minus 3 whole square is there, then x is equal to 3 will come. Then x minus 1 is equal to 0 is there. Then x is equal to minus, sorry, only 1 will come. So means how many interval will arises? So see here from minus to here, first of all you will take minus infinity to minus 1 first interval, then minus 1 to minus 1 to 1 will come. Okay, then 1 way to 3 will come, then 3 to infinity will come, then 4 interval will be there. It means we have to check function whether function is increasing or decreasing in this interval. Okay, so for writing the solution I have to erase now this one. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now let us see. Now first f dash, see from minus to minus 1 minus 2 will be there, put minus 2. Now see, this is the function 6 minus 2 plus 1 whole square, minus 2 minus 3 whole square, and minus 2 minus 1. Okay, now let us check whether positive is coming or negative. Minus 2 plus 1. Okay, 6. Then here minus 1 whole square into minus 5 whole square into minus 3. So see here 6 into, see here positive will come, here negative. It means negative value is coming, less than 0 you are getting. Then f dash x is less than 0 in interval what? Minus infinity to minus 1. It means fx is decreasing. What you will write? Decreasing in minus infinity to minus 1. So see here, in this way you will tell this will be decrease. Okay, now let us see second one, f dash. Now from minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1 0 will come. Okay, so let's put 0. Minus 1 to 1 0 will come, let's put 0. Then here 6 0 plus 1 whole square into 0 minus 3 whole square, 0 minus 1. Then again see 6 into 1 into, okay, so here positive value you will get, here positive value you will get, here negative value will get. It means negative value will come, less than 0 is coming, less than 0 is coming. Okay, then it what indicate this? Here this indicate that f dash x is less than 0 in interval minus 1 to 1. So fx is decreasing. Again it is decreasing. Okay, in minus 1 to 1. So see here, in this way you will tell that in this interval it is decreasing. Now we will check next interval. We will check next interval. So let us check here f dash. Now from 1 to 3 2 will come, so put 2 here. Then what will come? 6 into 2 plus 1 whole square, 2 minus 3 whole square, 2 minus 1. Okay, now see, here positive value you will get positive, here also positive, here positive. It means total positive value you will get greater than 0 will come. It means f dash x will be greater in interval what 1 comma 3. So fx is increasing. What you will say? Fx is increasing in 1 comma 3. So see here, you will tell that the fx is increasing in 1 comma 3 function. Okay, means interval. Now let us see the last one for this interval. So let us see f dash from 3 to infinity. 4 will come any value, so take 4, write 4 here, then put 4 value. 6, 4 plus 1 whole square, 4 minus 3 whole square, 4 minus 1. Now see, here positive value you will get, here also positive value you will get, here also positive. It means whole positive value you will get greater than 0 is coming. Then you will write what? F dash x is greater than 0 in interval 3 to infinity. So fx is increasing. What you will write? Fx is increasing in 3 comma 3 to infinity. So see here, in this interval increasing, in this interval also increasing, in this interval decreasing is there. See, in this also decreasing. It means first two interval decrease, second two interval increase, is increasing function will be. So see here how you will find the interval in which function will be decrease and function will be increase. Okay, so see here. Okay, how you will write the solution, how you will solve the question, this one. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, now if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it, and if you have any query, then comment in my comment box, and if you are facing any doubt or any question, to take pic of that question, send to me on my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is given in my channel. What I'll do, I'll make video of that question to clear your doubt. So till now, wait for the next video. In next video, we will discuss some more questions related to the increasing and decreasing function. Okay, so till now, have a nice day. Goodbye, and wait for the next video.